Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. Today is May the 31st. We are heading to Publix. We have 20 all digital deals this week. Also, there's a printable breakdown in the description box. You can either print it off or you can just pull it up on your phone to take in the store with you. No need to write anything down. Please join me on my Instagram and TikTok for all of my deals. Let's go ahead and get started on our first thing. So we have a pork tenderloin here, and I love to get the Greenwise pork tenderloin. This is a family favorite in our house, and on my channel, I'm very practical with what I show you guys, and I show you things that I buy for my family. And this is a great deal to throw on the grill or whatever it may be. With these, you're buy one, get one free. So you're saving about $7 or so on these. So yeah, I'm going to pick up 2 of those. In the printable breakdown, I just put it with $7 because, every piece is different price based on the size. So, but this is just a all-around great deal on these pork tenderloins. So, all right. The next thing we have are the Quilted Northern toilet tissues. Good deal on these. We're going to be getting these for just $2.35 each. So they're buy one, get one free. Usually they're $6.71 for the toilet paper. My goodness, it's so expensive for these products. And we do have, with the buy one, get one free, it is going to be $3.35 for each one. There is a $1 coupon on the Publix app that you can use. If you don't see that $1 coupon, look on your coupons.com app. There's a $1 coupon on there as well. But with that $1 coupon, it's going to make the toilet paper just $2.35. Next deal. This is a better deal. This is on the Brawny paper towels. These are usually $5.55. But they're on BOGO, so they're going to be $2.77 each. There is a $1 coupon on the Publix app, which will make these just $1.77. If you don't see this $1 coupon on the Publix app, there is a $1 coupon on the coupons.com app that you could use. Instead, you could pick up 2 packs, use 1 coupon from the Publix app and 1 coupon from the coupons.com app. But $1.77 on these is an awesome deal. This is not the best deal on these Glades refills. This is a no coupons needed deal on these. And these are going to be they're going to be $3.25. Now, these refills are a little pricey. We do get these cheaper sometimes. But we did just get a bunch of Glade plug-ins at Walmart. If you've seen my Walmart video, please go back and check that video, the CVS and Walmart video. But we were able to get plug-ins for 98 cents. So this would be a good refill for these because they're usually $6.49 each. With the BOGO, it's going to make them $3.25. And like I said, no coupons on this deal if you need the Glade refills. Now, I do like the Purex Crystals. I was getting these for like less than $1 for a long time, and we haven't gotten that in quite some time now. The Purex Crystals are usually $5.19. I do like the Spring Waters one. That's my favorite. And with the BOGO on these, it's going to make them just $2.60 per container. If you get paper coupons, you might have some paper coupons on some of the Purex products. I don't do paper coupons anymore, but there are usually paper coupons for Purex products. So check it out if you do have those. So $2.60 on the Purex Crystals. The next thing that we have is, I'm getting this because this flour, I'm getting the pizza flour actually, because I got a bread maker for Mother's Day, and I have been making all kinds of bread and all kinds of dough in it. And so it's pretty exciting. It's pretty fun. And it's also a way for us and our family to save money because this bag will last quite some time. So this gold medal flour is usually $4.99 a bag. That is crazy for a bag of flour. And I know it's pizza flour, so it may cost a little bit more, but these are buy one, get one free. So I'll be paying just $2.50 for this flour, and I'm excited to make some homemade pizzas with my kiddos this summer. The next thing is this Juicy Juice. My girls have been on a Juicy Juice kick lately. And so Juicy Juice is $4.50 regularly. And it is buy one, get one free. So each container of Juicy Juice is $2.25. There are no coupons on this Juicy Juice. And I do get it. This is a little pricey for the juice without coupons or anything. But, you know, that's just... The prices are just crazy now. Like, I was, used to getting things for $1, juice for $1 or less than $1, and it's just not that way anymore. But yeah, this Juicy Juice would be $2.25. No coupons needed on this deal. The next thing is a Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Guys, you know I like to buy my cereal at CVS or Walgreens, but this is the family size boxes of Cinnamon Toast Crunch. So it's a really large box of Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And what's going to happen on these is they're buy one, get one free. They're usually $7.80 a box. But because they're buy one, get one free, each box is going to be $3.90. We do have a $1 coupon on these, which will bring it down to $6.80. So it's going to make each box $3.40. That's still high, but this is the family size, and I do need cereal in my house. Now, one of my kids loves to just eat croutons out of the bag. It's one of her favorite snacks. And then another one of my kiddos has fallen in love with Caesar salads. So I'm going to pick these up for them. These croutons are usually $1.99 each. Because they are buy one, get one free, each bag of croutons is going to be $1. This is a no coupons needed deal on these croutons. So, pretty good price on these because this brand actually is a little bit nicer. This is cheaper. This cost of these croutons is cheaper than the Publix brand. So I always kind of look at that if I can get a sale and get it cheaper than the store brand. Now, these nature-owned buns, these are my favorite. These are like the crafted, the brioche ones, and they're usually a little bit higher. I've been buying these for like over $3 at some stores. But we're going to be getting these for $2.05 per bag of buns. So the Nature's Own buns are usually $4.49 each. We're going to be getting one at $2.25, and there is a 20-cent IBOTTA rebate on these. And you can do this up to 5 times if you need to like stock up on buns if you're having a cookout or whatever. So each pack of buns is going to be $2.05. And like I said, if you haven't tried these, you really need to. Now, a family favorite in our house is this Vigo yellow rice. We make this thing we call it chicken gravy in our house. It's like a chicken thing we make in the pressure cooker. And the kids like to eat this chicken dish over yellow rice. And so usually this rice is $1.59 each. And it's going to be just 80 cents a bag, because it is buy one, get one free. So this is a good little stock up thing because we like to have yellow rice and just throw it in the rice cooker for quick meals and that sort of thing. But yeah, this is a stock up item for me in my house. And plus, summertime's coming. My kids are always eating, and we eat rice at almost every meal. So 80 cents for each bag of rice. Now, this is my deal of the day. I know this has no coupons on it, but it's still my deal of the day. Because it is summertime and, my kids are hungry and they're asking for food. And I'm like, there's food in the kitchen. I cooked and there's leftovers and they don't want what I have in there. They're always thinking I'm going to take them to Chick-fil-A, which is not happening this summer. We do not have money for Chick-fil-A all summer long. So, get some good old SpaghettiOs. I grew up on those. So, these SpaghettiOs are usually $1.50 per can. Because they're buy one, get one free. They're going to be just 75 cents a can. This is a no coupons deal. There's no coupons on this, but just a good deal, good stock up price on these SpaghettiOs. Now, I know a lot of you have been getting the Hammer Toothpaste at Walmart, and I believe at Target, either, free or moneymaker or whatever it may be. But some of us don't have those stores around us. So if you don't, that's fine, because you can get this Hammer Toothpaste for just $1. That's a really good deal because Hammer Toothpaste is an awesome toothpaste, and we don't really get coupons for this. So these are usually $4.99 each. And so because of that, it's going to be BOGO, making each container of toothpaste $2.50. And then we have a $1.50 IBOTTA rebate on these. That can be done up to 5 times, making each tube just $1. That's a great deal to me. I'm going ahead and stocking up on these, and I'm going ahead and picking up 5 tubes of that Arm & Hammer toothpaste. Now, we do go through Clear Eyes in our house quite often. Our kiddos have allergies, and so I'm always buying this if I can find it on sale to stick in my purse or in the car because they're allergies. But these are $4.99 each, and then a BOGO, so they'll be $2.50 because they are BOGO. There's no coupons needed on this. I just bring to you guys the deals that I know that are practical and that my family needs. And I'm sure if my family needs it, someone else needs it as well. So $2.50 on this Clear Eyes is a pretty awesome deal. Now, Tidy Cats. If I see a deal on any kind of pet products, I want to bring it to you because you may have a cat or you may not. But this Tidy Cats is usually, I think it's $3.49 for these. Yeah, for these Tidy Cats. And you're going to be getting these for $6.75 each. There is a $1 coupon, thank you, on the coupons.com app. And so it's going to make this Tidy Cats litter just $5.75. I checked the prices at Walmart and Target. This is substantially lower with this deal than at Walmart and Target. So I definitely would pick this up if you have a kitten. The next thing is a good thing to have in the refrigerator. These are the Buitoni pastas. I like to have these for lunches or whatever it may be, quick meals in the house. And these are the filled pastas. You know, they have cheese in them or whatever. These are $4.69 usually. We were getting coupons for these on the Publix app. There aren't any right now because they are buy one, get one free. It will be just $2.35. So I'm going to pick up 2 of them because that's the amount I usually need in my family to make a quick lunch for my kids. And, you know, I've got pasta sauce, ragu, and all that sort of thing to put on these. Now, you guys know I love to get some bacon because bacon is high. I am not spending $9 and $10 for a pack of bacon. I do love that black label that Hormel Black Label maple bacon you see at the top. Now that's going to be $10, and they're buy one get one free, so they'll be $5. But the one below it is going to be $4.50. So that's a good deal on that bacon. I do like that one as well. I started buying that bacon when I noticed bacon prices have skyrocketed and tried different things, and it's still like a really good bacon. It's not, you know, one that curls up and it's just fatty, so pretty decent deal on bacon, so I'll pick up a pack for my kiddos for this weekend. $4.50 on those. All right, this is a great deal on the Oikos yogurt. These are going to be just $1.15 per pack. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick up 2 packs. They're usually $5.29, but you're going to pick up, each pack is $2.65. So your total with 2 packs is going to be $5.30. There is a $3 IBOTTA rebate when you buy 2. That $3 IBOTTA rebate is going to bring your total down to $2.30 or $1.15 each. I think this is a great deal on this, but it can only be done one time. Now, if you don't like the Oikos, you could do the Light and Fit. It's the same thing where you buy 2 packs, you'll get the $3 back. So it's the same exact deal, just a different kind. You might want the Light and Fit instead of the Oikos. It's just your preference. But you can mix and match if you wanted to. You can get 1 Oikos and 1 Light and Fit and get the $3 back. So again, it's going to be $5.30 each because it's BOGO. It'll be $2.65. You're going to buy 2 packs, which will make it $5.30. Using that $3 IBOTTA rebate, your total will be $2.30, making each pack just $1.15. Now, this next deal, I totally forgot to take a picture of it in the store. It's on these Lipton Teas. These are the 12-pack. These Lipton Teas are a little pricey. They're usually $7, I think, and 76 cents each. But right now, there's a sale at Publix, buy two, get one free. And when they have a buy two, get one free, you have to buy two and get one free. You have to get three. Now, there is a $3 coupon on these when you buy them. But if you get the mango flavor, there is a $2.50 IBOTTA rebate. And you can use that $2.50 IBOTTA rebate on all three of them. And so that will bring it down to, with the $3 coupon and the $7.50 you'll get back from IBOTTA, it'll bring your total down to $5.22 or $1.74 each. Now, the last thing I want to show you is there's a ton of Pepsi deals going on and Pepsi coupons. I didn't bring you a deal because you can mix and match various things. But the Pepsi products, the 2 liters, are buy two, get one free. And there's an assortment of coupons on the app. So just look at the coupons and see what works for you. Because you can get these Pepsi 2 liters for like less than $1 if you just try the different ones. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.